Now available at joeysturgistones.com, an all-new guitar sample pack made to unleash the power of modern djent in your music. Introducing Riff Vault, Architects of Djent. We've all been there, staring at the blank tracks in our DAW for hours, waiting for inspiration to strike. That's exactly why we've created this pack. This collection of samples is packed with brutally precise riffs, crushing breakdowns, and atmospheric layers designed to kickstart your next masterpiece. Loaded with more than 540 expertly crafted royalty-free samples, this pack gives you almost limitless possibilities for your next track. Let's listen to a few examples. Riff Vault Architects of Djent is a collection of fresh, progressive elements written and recorded by Andromeda. He built each riff, groove, and breakdown to embody the intense energy and complexity that defines the djent genre. Recorded on his LTD M1008 multiscale, these high-caliber sounds give you the tools to create your own powerful tracks in the groundbreaking djent genre. You can load mix-ready tones into your sessions or use the DI performances in combination with your own favorite amp sims. Architects of Djent features everything you need to craft the heaviest, most intricate tracks imaginable. Inside you'll find crushing breakdowns for bone-shaking grooves, dynamic chord progressions for rich harmonic depth, expressive leads that cut through the mix with precision, plus ambient layers and impactful sound effects to ensure seamless transitions. This pack is more than a collection of plug-and-play samples. It's a springboard for your creativity. Each riff, lead, and breakdown is designed to be molded, sliced, and reshaped to fit your unique vision. Experiment with the structures, combine different elements, or flip the samples entirely to create tracks that are truly your own. Architects of Djent empowers you to go beyond the obvious, helping you discover new creative directions that set your music apart. Organized by BPM and tuning, Architects of Djent is designed to keep your creativity flowing effortlessly. Simply drag and drop these mix-ready samples into your session and watch your ideas come to life. Whether you're crafting a new track from scratch or adding the final touches to a masterpiece, this pack has got you covered. The samples come in tempos of 110, 130, and 150 BPM, as well as tunings of drop F, drop E, and drop D, and those last two are an octave below the standard tuning. Don't let writer's block hold you back. Unlock endless possibilities with over 540 royalty-free premium guitar samples, and all without any subscription fees. Grab your copy of Riff Vault Architects of Djent today, exclusively available at the one and only joeysturgistones.com.